Hey, what's going on, guys?
Today we're back for some more
Okay.
Mario. Today we got another challenge going. Okay, so the challenge is we're gonna eat more little balls. You know these ones that we eat.
Let's get started.
Get started. Okay, so I'm playing with the day.
I'm playing as Derpy Space 7.
Dirty space.
I died first.
You did it already. What? Okay, so
I'm Sonic.
okay, so of course we die every second, so we each get 5 lives.
What?
So of course we die every second. We're gonna get 5 lives. Okay? No.
Nasa akin naman.
Okay, so I'm already at 19.
90?
Yeah, I'm already.
I'm 80.
So we need to like eat these little balls. I'm at 100 already.
100? Me too, I got 100 now.
No, it's 97.
It's 100 now. It's 103.
Oh. Two dudes. Did you die again?
Someone ate me.
That was your second died. I didn't even die.
Oh, there's so many balls here. There's one, not so many.
There's some balls. No!
You
Yeah,
died.
the thing that ate me.
You died one time.
I died one time and you died 2 times.
Yeah.
Oh
I died 3 times. Only
Three
joking.
no. I don't know, there's a giant one over here.
What is your little report? Mine is angry.
Wait.
What's
A
yours?
little memento. I'm 2 deaths. Okay, so if
You're
you
so
die-
dead.
You die one more time, please.
What?
Please eat him.
No.
T-Rex, don't do it.
Oh, he's feeding me. Oh my gosh.
You're feeding me?
Yeah. And
Wait.
don't feed Hero Water.
Who's death?
His name is
No,
Pinoy.
it's her death. It's Pinoy.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Oh, don't be died. Don't be died.
Hamas. And also, guys, today is my best friend's birthday. Yeah, 8th birthday. And two of us are actually both in April birthdays, so we're like twins, and we're both 10, and we're like discuss. Yeah, I might discuss in the movie Side Out.
I'm top 40 now.
And Gabriel.
I'm bigger than you.
No. Okay, so tell me what you're like in Inside Out. What
Oh.
character would you be? Oh, eat those. Eat them.
Oh, that raptor's gonna pop, but I don't like eating because
Okay. You know.
I need to be huge. I'm top 16 now. Team. Oh, I'm not gonna eat you. You're your best. Oh. Come here, Alemio.
Okay. So you died 3 times, which is
You. How many died?
2.
2 times. Yay. But in the challenge, I'm gonna win her.
No.
Why?
I said who can eat more little balls.
Me, look. I'm gonna
The
look.
virus, not players' balls, okay?
I think you're gonna eat the virus. Look, you're gonna pop in virus, not eat.
Oh yes. No, the little balls. I thought it was virus.
Come here. Come
These are
here.
viruses.
Come here. Come here.
Hey,
Come here. Oh my god.
What? Oh
Huge.
my god. You ate something?
Yeah. Ate something.
Oh, you will pop. Come here. Come here.
yourself. Feed yourself. Distraction. Feed yourself. You're wasting my time, Jumbo.
Earth.
Oh, there you go.
Earth, it killed me. Now 3 deaths. Oh,
You're
please,
3 deaths.
please let him the top one. Eat him. Oh, you're combining. Oh. Oh, okay.
The same piece of virus.
Yeah, it spawns in your face sometimes. Oh, you're combining. It's okay.
Oh, he's bigger than me, Naz.
If he's plus, he's going to
No.
be-
No, we're gonna eat him. If split, I'm bigger than.
No. Oh.
Oh, why are you feeding that? Oh, we're
I
gonna
don't
eat.
know. Oh, if that's
No, we're
packed,
same.
I'm gonna be so amazed. Hey, Llama.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Chris, come
Chris.
here.
Come here. Oh, that's like celebrity from TV.
Yeah. Chris
Because
TV.
Because guys are pooping out, so you don't know what things we're talking about. Eat that.
No.
Oh no, you're gonna pop. Okay.
Chris, come here.
Okay, so let's play now. Oh my god, I've died 4 times.
4 times?
Yeah. No. Okay.
Where's Chris? I'm gonna eat Chris.
Wait,
If I eat Chris, I'm the top 6. I think.
Oh, I was wrong. In the note I said,
Chris, come here.
Chris, come here.
Chris, come to my belly.
No, in the list I said I put it there 7 lives, so I was wrong.
I'm gonna eat this huge raptor.
Oh, just
Chris.
my sister.
You're in the corner now, Chris. I'm gonna eat you now, Chris.
Eat Chris. Oh.
If I eat Chris, I will be huge.
Yeah. Oh no.
Oh,
He's bigger than you.
no.
Oh, you're the same size. Eat that one. Eat Arcade Go.
No.
Okay.
That guy is trying to feed that guy.
Look.
Let's boost. Fine. My God,
Oh.
I think gonna die. No! The raptor's gonna eat me.
He ate me.
Oh.
One more death and I'm going to be. And then.
The number 1 is here. No! The number 1's here.
You're dead.
Three times dead.
Yeah, 3 times. Okay. So you
Fine.
have to die like.
2 times more.
No.
Wow.
5 times. No, you have to die.
Oh, that guy gonna split.
One guy was hiding in the virus.
You
He
see?
ate him.
Elemeo, don't eat me. Feed me.
Oh my god. This
Feed
is
me
top
number
one.
2. Top 2.
Oh yes, top 2.
Because his name.
The top one is here.
Oh. Oh. It popped.
He popped.
No, 1 time.
Around.
If 1 time, I gonna die.
No. He's trying to control my speed.
How many did I do?
Yeah.
4 times?
Did you die? Like, oh my
Oh,
god.
how many times do you die?
I died 7 times.
7? Oh, I'm the winner.
No. Now let's see. In the gas, I ate 42,000 to 198. You're almost at 2 million. No, 2,000. You're almost at 2,000.
My average score is 93.
Mine is 48. Okay, so
My best survive time is 11 minutes.
8 minutes.
My most sales eating is 51.
Mine is 12 because.
Highest score is 8,000.
But actually,
How many money do you have? 400. 400. And
Oh,
300.
you're I'm more money than you.
I'm gonna buy something.
Me too. Let me buy something.
I'm gonna buy cookie. No.
No, I'm not gonna buy. Not gonna buy something. I want to get my money.
I gotta get this. The berry.
I'm not gonna buy something because I want to get my money to 1,000,000.
That's cool. But anyways guys, that's the end of it. Hope you guys will like, more, subscribe, and see you next time. Good.